Friends, you cannot afford to miss today's video because today I am going to share 8 psychological techniques that will take your communication skills to the next level. If you lack confidence or you are very shy, if you cannot talk to anyone confidently, even then these techniques will make your way of speaking so attractive and powerful that everyone will want to talk to you. Because communication is a skill that is neither taught in school nor at home, and you won't believe it. People spend their entire lives, yet they still don't know how to communicate with others. Their communication skills are so weak that they cannot talk confidently to anyone. Instead, they sit quietly like a weak person. And among these points, 2 points are so powerful that by using them, you can make anyone crazy about you just through your conversation. But for that, you must watch this video till the end. And before starting this video, write your name in the comments. Number 1. Strong impression. Whenever you go in front of someone, the other person decides within the first 4 seconds what kind of person you are. Your impression is formed in the other person's mind in just the first 4 seconds. After that, no matter how good your conversation is, if your impression was weak, that same image will stay in their mind. That's why whenever you approach someone, go with full confidence. Keep a slight smile on your face and enter as if you are an attractive person, because many people, when they go in front of others, look so scared and nervous that the other person can never trust them. Your first impression stays forever in people's minds. After that, you cannot change it. The most important rule of communication skill is that first, you must work on yourself. First, you need to build a strong and powerful impression. Only after that should you start the conversation. Number 2, listen actively. Many people have a habit of not letting others speak. Instead, they keep telling their own stories. When the other person talks, they start giving unasked advice. They start judging. Because of this, the other person notices one thing very clearly. This person will never listen to me, and then they lose interest in you. To improve your communication skills, the first thing you must learn is to listen carefully to others. What is the other person saying? You should not listen just to reply back. You should listen to understand their intention, why they are saying it, what they really mean. Whenever you talk and genuinely listen to the other person, your respect automatically increases by 50%. You start looking like a mature and sensible person. In the other person's mind, this thought comes, this person is interested in me. He is listening carefully. He is valuing my words. And then they also start valuing what you say. That's why whenever someone is talking, don't interrupt. Don't start your own story. Just keep listening attentively. Number 3, sticky eyes. Making eye contact is the biggest sign of confidence. A person who keeps avoiding eye contact, looks here and there, or keeps looking down, either looks like a liar or a weak person, but never confident. If you are very shy, even then you should never avoid eye contact. This rule is called sticky eyes. Sticky eyes means keep your eyes as if they are stuck to the other person's eyes. Whenever they speak, keep looking at them. Keep looking into their eyes. This makes the other person feel that you are paying attention, that you are truly listening. Subconsciously, this hits their mind, and they are forced to respect you. If at the beginning you feel shy, you can look at their nose or their forehead instead of their eyes, and slowly move towards direct eye contact. Because when you maintain eye contact while talking, your image becomes that of a confident and powerful person, someone who is not afraid of anyone. Number 4, open-ended questions. If you want to attract someone, never ask questions that can be answered with just yes or no. Instead, ask questions that make them explain, that make them talk a little longer. When they talk more about themselves, and everyone loves talking about themselves. When you give someone a chance to talk and keep listening to them, the other person automatically starts feeling attracted to you. If your problem is that you don't get topics to talk about while speaking to someone, then this rule is perfect for you. You just have to ask them questions about things they can talk a lot about, and then stay quiet and keep listening. This will bring confidence into you. You will learn more, you will understand the other person better, and they will also start feeling attracted to you. Number 5, the pause game. All powerful people, all confident people are never scared and never in a hurry. They take their time. They explain their words in a way that their message sits properly in the other person's mind. When you take a small pause while speaking, 1 or 2 seconds, it helps the other person's brain process what you said. But when you rush and finish your sentences quickly, the other person doesn't even get time to think about your words. words. Your words just pass over their head. But when you pause, when you speak slowly, it shows that you are a confident person. It shows that your words are important. That's why you are taking pauses while speaking. Number 6, mirroring. If you want to attract someone, this technique is one of the best. Here, you simply have to copy the other person, but smartly, so they don't realize you are copying them. Talk in a similar style to how they talk. This makes the other person think, this person is like me, I can trust him. Because we feel comfortable with people who are similar to us. If someone likes the same things as us, we want to sit with them. We want to talk to them. To create this feeling in the other person's mind, you need to mirror them. Copy their way of speaking. Copy their sitting style. Copy their body language. This will make the other person unconsciously feel attracted to you, and your communication skills will keep improving. Number 7, the name game. Big philosophers and psychologists say that the sweetest word for a person is their own name. Their favorite word is their own name. You can use this to your advantage. If you want to communicate well with someone, remember their name and keep mentioning their name again and again during the conversation. The other person will feel that. It makes the other person feel that you are recognizing them. You are respecting them. Whenever they hear their own name from your mouth, they automatically give you attention. They start thinking about you, how much you know about them, how much interest you take in them. If you simply ask someone, "How are you?" it doesn't feel that effective. But instead, if you ask using their name, "How are you?" the other person connects with you more. Your communication skills improve, and the other person also starts feeling attracted to you. Number 8, be interested. While talking to someone, you must show interest. You should look like you are genuinely happy to meet them, that you enjoy talking to them, not like your expressions show that you are not interested. Because if you act uninterested, the other person will behave the same way. Whenever the other person is talking, make them feel that you are not judging them, but supporting them. Tell them things like, "If I were in your place, I would have behaved the same way." This hits their mind and makes them think, this person understands me instead of judging me. Because communication is a skill that can influence the other person's mind. Through your way of speaking, you can learn to influence people. Just observe where the other person is getting emotional and give them emotional support there. People who manipulate others know how to play with emotions. But you should use this not to harm others, but to improve your communication skills. Appear interested in others, and the other person will automatically become interested in you. If you still haven't written your name in the comments, write it now. If you liked today's video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you get every new video first. Thank you for watching.